Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your love energy and your career situation. I'll be picking cards from the other deck, guys. So we will turn these cards, guys, as we proceed. So for your career situation, this is the card, guys. Let me pick one card. This is it. And for your love energy, I'm picking cards randomly, guys. So that is for your relationship, Scorpios. So let us see what are these cards for your daily energies. Two of Wands, Eight of Wands, and Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards, Scorpios, the energy is that you are seeing great growth, guys, in your career or in your personal life. Some success or path to success is taking place. You are beginning on a new journey, something you are taking up. Maybe it may denote some new projects, some successful start of some work, some business collaboration, something which is growing in a positive way. So you are seeing that success within reach and you are happy for it. That is what I see. And also you are a person of great authority and courage in your situation. You have that determination and you are able to judge any situation properly, and you are able to do it with that perfect decision making. So whatever you need to do, you have that clarity in your thought and action. That is what I see with these cards. So this may relate to your career situation or your personal life, guys. So you do things with great clarity, with that deep thinking. And also, guys, this may be in your relationship, or it may be in your in your personal life. There may be people coming towards you, maybe give you a gift, maybe some family member or friend, somebody may try to gift you, guys, maybe for some of you, or maybe for some of you you need to be really careful, guys. Maybe there is a chance of some kind of robbery. Maybe you may lose something, not something major, guys, but still you need to be careful. That is what I see here with these cards, Scorpio. So let us see what is this card for your career situation, Scorpios. Soulmates. So with this card, guys, the energy for your lizard, Scorpios, in your work situation, things are going towards some kind of balance and harmony. Maybe you are collaborating with some other business, starting on a new journey, going for that partnership, co-creating in your work situation, guys. So there are people in your life you are working with, maybe people who work with you, your colleagues, or people who work under you, your employees or your business partners, your mentors, whoever they are, whoever are helping you, supporting your dreams, helping you reach your dreams. So you are working with them, working in harmony, in that collaboration. So this is an important time for you guys. You need to accept their role for what they are playing in your life. So this is the time for that, and those people are there just to shape your dreams, whatever you need to achieve, and they are helping you in that. So that is what this card is about. This card is a reminder of such people. So maybe your success, you need to give them credit, guys, and whatever is destined to happen in your career situation, it will be happening, guys. And these people may be a part of that unfolding. So your dreams and goals, whatever it is, they are there to support you to reach. So that is what this card is about, guys, Scorpio. So what is the card for your relationship? Come to the edge. So with this card, guys, for your relationship, the energy is that you need to take certain decisions without without knowing what will be the outcome. So maybe like taking a risk, overcoming that fear, and accepting what you are getting into. So sometimes in life we'll be facing something unknown. We won't know what our choice will lead us to. So even in this relationship, sometimes we are really scared to let that other person to see what we are in truth, guys. So we hide from them, we protect that we do not want them to see. But sometimes you have to risk that and let that other person see. Be open in this relationship, show your true self. When you do that, you that person will see your authentic self. And when you connect, when you have that connection based on that truth, you will be able to build a harmonious relationship, guys. So that is what this card is about. So this is not the time to play it safe, guys. You have to have faith on yourself and take that leap of faith today. So maybe you are taking a risk with this person, showing your true self to them for love. If you love this person in truth, you have to be truthful to them. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.